Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today, we're going to do multiplication and we're going to use the table of 3. Now, we're going to use the multiplication table in a way that we're so used to it here in Africa or in Kenya. We always like to say, for example, 24 times 3 would mean 24 3 times. That will be 24, 24, and 24. So that's how we're going to do it today. And I know you're used to that, so it's going to be very easy. So, how do we multiply 24 by 3? First, we're going to break 24 into ones and tens. So 2 tens would give us 20. And 4 ones would be 4. Then we would multiply each by 3 by 3. What would you get? 20 times 3, 20, 20 and 20. So that would give us 60. Easy way is to say 2 times 3, which is 6, and then you bring the 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Once we get these two answers, we have to add them. And we find our total. 0 plus 2 gives us 2. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. And the answer of 24 times 3 is 72. Let's go to the next one. What about 46 times 3? We still do the same. We find how many tens, and there are 4 tens. 10, 10, 10 and a 10, and that's 40. So we write 40 and 6 ones. Each we multiply by 3 by 3. And what do we get? 4 times 3 gives us 12. Put the 0, you get 120. Shortcut. So you write 12 and you return this 0. 6 times 3 gives us 18. So we write the 18 and then we add these 2. What do we get? 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we have 1. So we have a total of 138. 138, and that's our answer. So, let me leave you. You try to do this one because it is in the same way. You do it the same way. You separate tens and ones, and then you multiply and get your answer. Over here, we have ones, tens, and hundreds to make 150. So we still do the same thing. How many hundreds? Only 1. So we have 100. 5 tens is 50. We do not have ones. It's just 0. So we come and we multiply by 3, both of them, and we say 100 times 3. 100, 100 and 100. 100 3 times. We get 300. What about 50 times 3? 50, 50 and 50. 2 50s give us 100 plus a 50. 150. Or you say 5 times 3, 15, and you add a 0. You still have 150, whichever works for you. When we add, we get 0, 5, and 4. And that is 450. Well, here we have 4 ones, 7 tens, and 2 hundreds. Let's see how we work with this one. We come and we write 200. It is written like that. 7 tens gives us 70. It is written like that. And 4 ones just gives us 4. It is written like that. We multiply each by 3. What do we get? 2 times 3, we get 6. So we have 600. 6 return the 2 zeros. 7 times 3, we get 21. So we write 21 add a 0. We have 210. 4 times 3 is 12. So we just put 12 there. Make sure all the numbers are aligned very well. Ones are together, tens and hundreds. So when you add, it is perfect. 0 plus 0 plus 2 will give you 2. 1 plus 1 will give you 2, and 6, 7, 8. You have 8, and it's 822. 822. There you go. I think it will be so nice for you to try this one. It's so simple, and that one. So till we meet again, thank you for watching.